Henry the Pelican and Baby Chickadee are having a fight. Baby Chickadee hates Henry. Prepare for chaos. You're so mean and a crybaby. I'm not a crybaby. Wanna bet?
Me and my building say Henry is a crybaby.
That's right. I am not.
And who asked for your opinion?
Huh? Ghost Bird. Ghost Bird, Baby Chickadee's being mean to me.
Are you?
No.
I was watching you. I knew this was going to end up in a fight because I saw both of you at the park, and oh boy, that would be bad. So,
Goodbye. Thank you, Ghost Bird.
No problem. I mean, he's hardly ever afraid of me, but I don't see why he's afraid of me today. So, yeah. And, what? It's an air refreshener. It doesn't smell too refreshing.
Ew. Whoa. Dr. Buzz! Dr. Buzz! Poisonous gases are in the air.
Thank you, Dr. Buzz.
No problem.
So, I'm not dirty. Well, I didn't say you were dirty, but you are dirty. Nuh-uh. Really? Turn around. Get closer to the camera. Hoo. Yeah. That is dirty. Oh man, I am dirty. Well, I think I should go take a mud bath.
A mud bath?
Yeah. Wait a second. I don't think that's dirt. It isn't? No. Oh. Well, I still need to take a mud bath. Right. Can you help me carry this? Sure. Where do you want it? Just drop it. Not like that. I meant drop it at my house. Drop it off. I bet even a little girl could carry that. Really? Nuh-uh. Coconut, come carry this building to Blue Jay's house.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, you need to work on those muscles. Oh, well, goodbye. See ya. Make sure you use soap. Sorry, but I don't want soap. My gosh, that Blue Jay. That Blue Jay. So.
Ha!
Whoa!
I've been spying on you, Ghost Bird. You're so annoying. Oh my gosh, you're like so annoying. And I'm not afraid of you.
I know you're not afraid of me. Everyone else is, but you're really brave, Baby Chickadee.
Ooh. Hee. I'm brave. Yeah. Well, anyway, still.
You want to hear someone even more annoying?
Not really. Oh, seriously? You brought Shamrock?
Yep, I did.
Mommy says a ghost bird brought me here. Mama says I'm a vulture. Well, not a vulture. Mama says I'm a condor. Mama says my species is endangered. Mama says my eyes are like, oh. That wasn't funny. Yeah, it was. And you're too annoying to bear.
He's actually kind of right.
Oh,
Oh, don't cry.
Hey, baby chickadee, I'm not fainted anymore, and guess what? What? You're getting annoyed.
I just got them to calm down. Anyway. Oh, goody, look who's back.
Ow! Ugh. Mama says birds like that are idiots. Mama says they're dumb.
I'm not dumb.
Actually, you kinda are. Just a little bit, not that smart.
Oh. Oh. Well, I brought you a picture.
A picture? Okay. Can I see it?
Just back up, it's big. I'll go get it. Do you like it? Ghost bird. See? It's your face, your beard,
I don't have a beard.
and your legs and tail.
Why do I have pimples in the picture, and why do I have beard? This is so funny. Okay, I'll be quiet.
Wait, but you can't keep the picture until I sign it.
How are you gonna...
Here you go.
No, thank you. I thought you were being silent for a little.
Oh!
Oh! Stop!
Oh, it's over. Everyone left the fight. It's Crystal!
Oh my gosh, Blue Jay, get away from me. How'd you know I was hiding in the bushes? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Get away from me! Ah! Help! 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 Well, that's over.
Okay, you guys are both equal. We are all equal, even me, even Blue Jay. We are all equal, so there's no reason to fight. Now be friends. Thank you.
Okay. Well, friends? Friends. Oh! You! You! Well, that's the end of the fight. Oh, here they come. Hey, look! It's Swallow! Hi, Swallow. What are you doing here? I'm ending the play. Hey, look! Swallow has a sticker on her back. It's Blue Jay's sticker. What? Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Get it off, get it off, get it off, get it off. Get it off, get it off. Well, I gotta get this thing off, so, bye.